Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here, Davis AutoSports 02 Wrangler, 6-cylinder, 4-wheel drive, AC, 40,000 original and documented miles. This is a pre-listing. We have been reconditioning this Jeep. We still have some more work to do on it. However, we just wanted to bring it to market, and we will finish completing our servicing and reconditioning. But we'll go ahead and do a quick walk around, and I'll let you guys know what we have completed on this. We're going to leave this Jeep as of now completely stock with just 40,000 miles. It will come with a full-size matching spare. Comes off as part of our reconditioning that we do. Beautiful, beautiful Jeep inside and out. Undercarriage is also very, very clean. So with 40,000 miles, it came in great condition, but of course we're going to go through and completely get it as nice as we can. So everything that you see black on this Jeep, from the front bumper, the filler panel, the caps, the flares, the side step, the rear bumper, the rear caps, the headlight bezels, all of that was removed off of the Jeep, sanded down and completely painted, and then reinstalled back on the Jeep. So that by itself, with just one of my guys, is about a 3-day process to remove everything, do it the right way. While those parts are off the Jeep, the paint itself gets completely paint corrected, wet sanded, compound polished, and buffed. What that does is it gives the top layer of clear coat a finish that you're only going to get with that process. That does not do anything with scratches that are through the clear coat and base, but it just gives that top layer clear coat a really, really nice look. Obviously, we have a set of Rubicon wheels that we put on here from another Rubicon that we're upgrading currently in the shop. So that added a nice look to it. We also did a brand new top and new side mirrors as well. And so we're just going to leave it the way that is on the exterior. If someone wants to purchase this Jeep and have us upgrade it, we will be more than happy to do so. Condition wise, this thing's in great condition. We painted the gas filler bezel as well, license plate holder, rear bumper. Take a look at where the sun is shining directly on the paint, and what the paint correction does is it gets rid of all the swirl marks and imperfections on any vehicle, especially an 18-year-old vehicle. When you see the sun shining on it, you'll see all sorts of imperfections on top of the clear coat. So that's part of our paint correction process right there. So when we complete this Jeep, we'll do another video if it's still for sale. This is a pre-listing. So typically we'll throw a pre-listing up on the internet while we're reconditioning it and servicing it, and then once it's done, we'll do a full-fledged video and go through every nook and cranny of the vehicle. But usually they do sell during these listings. A couple little things to note: just how nice these lenses are. No oxidation, no light cracking. Just a super. The hood does have a couple little typical, Wrangler hoods are sort of, we often repaint them to keep the cost down on this one, and we're very busy in the shop right now. We're not going to repaint it. It's not that it needs it. That's pollen. It's very heavy pollen season right now. But there are a couple little imperfections on the hood, nothing major at all. Undercarriage is very, very clean in this Jeep. The seats are very impressive. The bolsters are nice and thick on these two. The side vinyl is in great condition. Keep in mind, we're still reconditioning this thing, so it's not completed, but everything is just really, really clean. No odors of any sort. Undercarriage is also very, very clean. Once again, 02 Wrangler. 40,000 miles. You're going to buy it in this sort of setup. If you want us to modify it, we'll be more than happy to do so. If you guys have any questions, 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.